How to use gesture navigation on Android. This tutorial shows you how to switch to gestures and what each one does. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, tap Display. After that, tap Navigation bar. At this point, you'll see two options, button navigation and swipe gestures. Tap Swipe Gestures to switch over to gesture-based navigation. Following this, tap More Options underneath to see how the gestures are configured and adjust the sensitivity if needed. From here, once gestures are enabled, here's how each one works. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to go back to your home screen. Swipe up and hold to open your recent apps so you can switch between them. Swipe inward from the left or right edge of the screen to go back. After that, if you find the back gesture is conflicting with certain apps, go back into the gesture settings and adjust the back gesture sensitivity slider to make it less or more sensitive depending on what feels right. Finally, if you ever want to switch back to the traditional button layout, just come back to the same navigation bar settings page and tap Button Navigation to restore the back, home, and recents buttons at the bottom of your screen. That's how you use gesture navigation on Android. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials,